Come get completely ready with me to do absolutely nothing. It is currently thundering out and pouring rain, so obviously I'm staying inside, but I'm gonna put on these road eye patches, and this is what they look like. I was so tired going into work, so I definitely want to make sure that I'm getting plenty of rest. So hopefully this can help with any like puffiness. Now we're gonna do my hair. This is the hair product that I've been using. This is the Rizzo's Curl Defining Custard. I love it so much. It is very, very defining, and I see significantly less frizz with this product. I'm just making sure like my roots aren't frizzy. Okay, now I'm gonna just part down. I'm gonna brush it out to the side, shake, and then drop. And I'm gonna do that all throughout my head in thin sections. Okay, now that I've done that all throughout my head, I'm gonna move on to this section of my hair. And with this part, I'm going to part it up here. And then I'm going to just brush it forward. Brush it forward, shake, and then throw it back. All right, and then this final piece I'm taking and brushing forward. And then I'm going to split it down the middle, like that. And now I shake it out a little bit, get some more product in my hand, and I'm going to flip my head, flip, and then okay. Oh. Now we're gonna diffuse my hair, so I have my diffuser here, and I'm gonna turn it up on high heat on 1. All right, I'm done diffusing my hair. It might be like 90% dry now, but I'm gonna let it air dry while I finish getting ready, and then we'll scrunch out the gel cast. So I'm gonna remove these eye patches. We're gonna go in with this Road Glazing Mist. I normally go in with the Tower 28 SOS spray, but I haven't done the glazing mist in a minute. So next we're gonna go in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, 2% plus B5 serum. Oh my God. I heard screaming. I thought it was my neighbors, but I think it's the TV. That was a little concerning. Next, I'm going in with this Merit Instant Glow Serum. After I get ready, I'm probably gonna play Left 4 Dead and then eat dinner and then react to, I don't know. I wanna react to Fallen by Chris Brown and Leon Thomas, which just dropped. I just have to do the whole setup so that it has the music video and me in the corner. Look at my curls though. I love how defined they are. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Kosas Spray-On Serum. I love this serum so much. It brings so much hydration back into my face, but it also isn't just like a drying spray. Like, it genuinely feels like a spray-on serum. And look at that beautiful glow. I wish I had one of those like handheld fans to dry my face with while doing my skincare. I also feel like I'm talking really low. I'm so sorry, I'm not meaning to. Next, I'm going in with this Rhode Barrier Butter. And I'm also gonna go in with this Say Glowy Super Gel and Star Glow. I was getting ready in another video and I ended up dropping this and it rolled under the bed, and I just never got it, so. All right, now I'm gonna use this spoolie to brush my brows upward. And then I'm gonna wear this Kosas mascara. All right, and I'm not gonna do a lot. I'm only doing one coat. For my lip product of the day, by the way, I got this really cute black pouch from Amazon to go in my new Coach bag. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm gonna wear this Gisou lip oil in pineapple pout. It smells so good. I love it so much. And I'm not gonna wear blush today, just because, again, I'm not even doing anything. I'm gonna go play video games, eat dinner, watch TV, and then maybe record a reaction video. Grab all my hair. And twist it to get out any like gel cast that might be there. Shake it out some. And this is the final look. If you have any product recommendations, comment them down below. If this is your first time seeing me, comment a yellow heart down below. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video.